Have you ever thought about how information is organized in a way that shows clear relationships, like a family tree or your computer's file system? Imagine a structure where everything has a clear place, leading up or down through different levels. A hierarchical data structure is essentially a way of organizing data in a tree-like model. In this model, data is arranged in parent-child relationships, where each parent node can have one or more child nodes, but each child node can have only one parent. The core mechanism behind a hierarchical structure is this distinct one-to-many relationship. It starts with a single top-level element, often called the root node, which has no parent. From this root, branches extend downwards, creating levels of children, grandchildren, and so on. This inherent order defines how data elements relate to each other, establishing a clear line of descent or ownership. This model naturally reflects relationships found in many real-world scenarios, making it intuitive for certain types of data, but it can become rigid when dealing with more complex, multifaceted relationships. Practically speaking, you encounter these structures regularly. Think about how files and folders are organized on your hard drive, or how an organizational chart represents employees reporting to managers. These are everyday examples of hierarchical models in action. When you navigate through nested menus on a website, or view the table of contents in a book, you are interacting with data that is often structured hierarchically. In these systems, key terms like a root node, parent node, child node, and leaf node help define specific roles. A leaf node is simply a node that has no children of its own. Understanding these components is crucial because they govern how data can be queried and traversed. For instance, finding all items belonging to a specific category is very efficient, as you simply trace down from the parent node. This strict structure means that the path from the root to any particular piece of data is always unique. Ultimately, grasping the concept of hierarchical data structures is foundational for anyone working with data. It provides a clear, logical framework for modeling information where a natural order or containment relationship exists. This understanding is particularly beneficial when designing systems where data needs to be easily navigable through distinct levels, ensuring clarity and predictable retrieval.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.